This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product.
The bettas. The crochet methods are exactly the same for each of the 4 bettas. We'll demonstrate the blue one. Please finish the other 3 bettas in the same way with corresponding color yarns by yourself. If you're not familiar with the basic stitches, you can watch the tutorial video first and practice the basic stitches with the practice yarn and corresponding hook in the kits. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. This is the back of our basic gesture. If the yarn tail is too long, we can pull this side to shorten it. If the yarn tail is too short, we can pull the yarn tail to make it longer. Here we leave a yarn tail of this length. Working into a magic ring, make a loop around your middle finger, and pinch the crossover of the yarn with thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger.
Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn on the hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the magic ring.
In round 1, start with the chain stitch and then work 6 single crochets. For 1 chain stitch first, yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
First, work a chain stitch. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
The chain stitch at the beginning is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on hook. That's a single crochet.
Insert hook into the magic ring. Pull up loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook. Pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done.
Such a V-shape is formed on the side. Each V-shape stands for 1 stitch. Place the marker in the first stitch, through the underneath of both loops of the V-shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. 2 V-shapes on the side stand for 2 single crochets. Continue to work 4 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. 6 V's on the side stand for 6 single crochets. We can count the V-shapes to check the number of stitches. Please note that the loop on the hook is not counted as 1 stitch. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. One chain stitch and 6 single crochets are finished. Round 1 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 2, work a cycle of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 3 times. The first stitch of round 2 starts from the marked stitch of last round. Remove the marker and work 1 single crochet in the marked stitch. Insert hook through both loops of the marked stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. One single crochet is done. Start a V shape on the side, stand for 1 stitch. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Remember to place the marker through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. In the next stitch, we'll 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert hook through both loops of the next stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. One single crochet is done. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished.
Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done.
One set is done. There are 3 V-shapes on the side. Keep working 2 more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. 3 sets are finished. Round 2 is done.